If you've been looking for a great workout that you can do right there at home to start building some muscle, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, Peter Carvell, and today I'm going to show you a very simple but effective beginner muscle building workout, and all you're going to need for this one is an exercise band. So let's get going straight away. Let's look at all the different exercises that will hit every single part of your body, and then afterwards I will tell you exactly how many times a week to do this workout and the workout structure so you can get the best possible results from these exercises. So there you go, guys. Very simple, but extremely effective. Number one, how do you make this harder or easier? Simple. You use a harder or easier band. So if you can do like 10, 15 reps and it doesn't even hurt your muscle, make sure you get a tighter band. But let's quickly look at the workout structure because it's extremely simple. You are going to take each one of these exercises and do it in the exact order that I've just shown you. You're going to do 10 reps of each exercise. You're going to complete all the exercises. You're going to rest for a minute, and then you'll complete the full circuit. Your goal is to see how many of these rounds you can do in just 15 minutes of all the exercises. It's known as a complex workout structure, and it works really well because it grows with you. The stronger you get, the more rounds you will do, and so you can never really out-train this. And whenever you get to a point where you can just go for the full 15 minutes, you go up to 20 minutes, or you use a tighter band. As simple as that. So it's really simple to customize this to your own strength level. And then, of course, guys, you need to make sure you follow this up with a muscle building diet. You can train your muscles as much as you like. If you don't feel it with the right nutrition, you will not build muscle. So always keep that in mind. And then, guys, as far as how many times a week you should do this, 3 to 4 times. Always make sure there's a break between each one of these workouts so you can give your muscle time to recover, because that's when it will actually grow. So there you go, guys. Enjoy this one. It's perfect for beginners who's just trying to start building some muscle and start adding some shape to their body. So let me know how you get on. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, and remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.